Hey guys, first of all, thanks for trying RockStack. This quick guide is gonna be touching Remix, Prisma, and Postmark, and I guess Stripe. I will have another video for Next, Drizzle, Recent, and Stripe. So you will want to go to rockstack.dev/new project. This is currently not deployed, so I have on my local host the steps. So the first thing that you need to do is click which framework you're gonna use. Right now, SpellKit is delayed. I will release it next week, which is from October 8th to the 15th. But I'm gonna pick Remix, then Prisma, and Postmark, Stripe, and the app name is gonna be my Remix RockStack. And I will set the Postmark server token that I will grab on my dashboard. If you want to use recent, you can click here and generate the recent key on recent.com API keys. This is the email that it's gonna send the emails. You need this Postmark sender or recent sender. This is the name on the from email, and this is the support email. So if you don't have this custom domain, you can set this for contact information. Now the Stripe secret, you can grab it from the developer's dashboard. I'm gonna copy here and paste it here. And finally, the database URL, I'm actually going to leave it at blank because I wanna update that on the editor itself. So I will copy this, and you can see that I'm gonna go to the Prisma branch directly. If you don't want that and you want to have on the same code base Prisma and Drizzle without the repository pattern, you can remove the -b flag. But I will be going directly to the Prisma branch, so I don't have any Drizzle configurations or packages. So I'm gonna go to RockStacks and I'm gonna paste the git clone. This will create this my Remix RockStack. I'm gonna install the dependencies. You can see the steps here, npm install. And then I'm gonna duplicate the .env file, example file to .env. And I'm gonna update the variables with these values. So let's do it. Copy and example to .env. Now I will go to my editor. So code dot will open VS Code page, window. So here, Command J to open the terminal, and I'm gonna go to the env file. So here, I want to set my my database. So I have it at testing, localhost, and Prisma creates the database for you. But if you're gonna use Drizzle, you need to create the database first. But I'm gonna set my RockStack Remix app. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it a long name so I know this is for the demo purposes. And now, I can update also the Stripe API key like this, and then the Postmark server token. Where is it? Postmark here, and then I need to go to default app configuration. And you need to make sure, like, for example, here, to update the correct name. So I'm going to copy these configuration things and paste that here. So you can see that, hey, I have my Remix RockStack is going to be using the Prisma ORM. But if I go there, I only have Prisma or Mock. Mock is just when you don't have a database and you want to develop things quickly. And this is the email settings. So with that, you can now create the database and apply the changes with npx prisma db push, and then run npm run seed. This will create the admin user permissions and so on. So now you wanna run the application with npm run dev, and go to, in the Remix edition, it's port 3001. The next.js edition is 3000, and the SpellKit edition will be 3002. So I should be able to go to the login page and put admin@email.com, and then the password is password. If you want to change this default email, you need to go to seed service and update here admin@email.com, especially when you're deploying I mean pushing changes to a production database, you cannot use this email in production. So set it to your custom email, and don't forget to update the password as well. By default is password. So my password, Alexandro, and this I will need to generate the seed again, but I have a route at /dev that you have access, so it's already seeded. But if I seed again, you can see that it added another user because this email was changed. So now I can actually use my custom email. So you can see it was Alexandro, and I can save this password. And now you have a full stack SaaS shell for you to build anything. Let me explain a few things. This is the admin dashboard. You can go to accounts, create a new one, like new remix account number 1, add myself as the owner, and then could not create Stripe customer. Okay, so I forgot to set this API key on my end file, or maybe I saved it after running the server. Stripe as let me try again. So going back, refresh. So let me create another one, new account, new remix account, and this will be number 2. Could not create Stripe customer. Why is that? Let me take a quick look. The publishable API key. Oh, yeah, that was my fault. I need to use the secret key, not the publishable key. So sorry about that. Is time wasted, but anyway. I'm gonna retry creating another account. And of course, you can go to the a specific account and delete the account. And if the Stripe customer is created, it will delete it as well. But be careful, because that deletes all the users if they only belong to that account. So new account, new remix account number 1 again. So now the Stripe customer is created. I can go to my dashboard here. Here it is, new remix account number 1. And now go to users, create a new user like remix user number 1. Password is password, Alex remix number 1. And this is not gonna be a super admin, because I wanna go to roles and permissions, go to my application users, go to that specific account that I just created, and set myself, which currently I am Alex, this one, to a super user. So now I have access. If I go to my to app/app, you can see here that it redirects me to this account because there's only one. And I can go to settings, members, and manually send an invitation to this user. So this name doesn't matter. And since I already set my Postmark token, I can send the email. So let's try. Let's see my email. So here it is, Alex from RockStack, admin invited you to my remix RockStack. And if they click this, I'm gonna open this on incognito mode, they can accept and continue, and they will be logged in. And they can, of course, change the password or reset the password. For example, here. Oh, this should be encoded. This will be a minor fix, but maybe your users shouldn't be able to use this plus sign because it can be abused. But anyway, here's the empty dashboard. Of course, replace the application dashboard with your current implementation, but this is the overall structure of this stack. Watch the other one if you're interested in Next.js and Drizzle.